So I'm going to be doing another video, and it's not really about any of my pets. It has to do with one of them, though. So, yeah, my parrotlets, which I have a video of them already. I just wanted to, do, a video just to show how to make, like, some fun and simple toys for them. So, anyway, let's get started. And I will be doing more videos on my chickens and, like, all my pets, just updated videos. But anyway, let's get started. So, yeah, all I have right here is just some scissors, some, scrap pieces, and, like, a stick or a dowel or something. And then, which is a paper towel tube or a toilet paper towel tube and some more paper. So just, some scrap pieces, so it's really easy. And, right here I have a chain. You gotta be careful what you put on with the toys, but, anyway, yeah, I have some chains, and I have a nice thing, and I just put that in a couple minutes ago, and she's loving it. So, yeah, because they really like chewing on things, and it's good for their beak, and, it's just fun for them, too. So, anyway, once again, let's get started. So, I'm going to start with, my thing here, and I'm gonna put some of these scraps on here. So I'm just gonna poke a hole in here, and sometimes it's a little hard, so you can just go like that, and you have a hole, and I'm just gonna stick it on here. And what I have right now is not very strong, so hope it doesn't break. And you can just put stuff on here. So just stuff at home, it kind of inspire you, or inspire you, or whatever you say. And it's really actually fun if you have a bird or a pet, and you're like, oh, I just want to make something for them, some kind of toy. This is really fun. So, yeah. So anyway, I'm not going to be doing too much more than what I'm doing right now. So, but I am going to change it up a little bit. I'm just putting my scrap pieces on first. And, also, I'm going to make a square here. Oops. And so this will make it so really teeny, so it doesn't come off as easily. Let's see. Maybe this is too small. Yeah, I think it's too small. Alright. But anyway, yeah, so then I'm just going to have this a little bit more towards the bottom, and then I'm going to get some of this, maybe make it a little, well, actually it's fine, and just like this. It's actually easier to start with one hole in the middle, like that, and you just keep going like that. And so then that makes it easier because it's just one more hole at a time. Instead of doing it all at one time, then it's going to be hard because it's going to be so thick you can't get through it. So I do recommend doing that if you're going to be making one of these. Alright, and so there we go. Then you just put it right on here. You can spread it out some more. And it's okay if they fall off, because then they love going down to the bottom of their teeth. And they'll just chew on that. Anyway, so yeah, and then you can do some more there. And I'm just gonna write his name. His name is Zorro, which I mentioned in my other Parrotlet video. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna do a Z for Zorro. And that's just for fun. So, yeah, you don't need to do that. So, alright, it's a messy Z, but it'll work. So there we go. Or weighted, I don't know. I might have did that backwards. But it doesn't really matter, so. Because it's for birds, they don't care, and it's going to be hanging, so you won't really even notice it. And so you can decorate it however you want, you know. So, yeah. And then it's going to look like that. But I also just want to put another hole right here. And so it will stay more. And so, yeah. So this is really easy to make, guys. So, yeah, if you have birds, you know, I'm just doing some ideas to show you. You know, that you can really make toys out of pretty much anything you have around the house. Just make sure that it's okay for them, because they will chew on it. And so there. Anyway, I also have one last thing, which I didn't show you, is I have one of these. And so I'm gonna open it, and this is what I'm gonna try to use. I haven't done this before, but I'm gonna try to stick it through, and it worked. And then now we have a toy for them to chew on. So now I am going to try to put this in here. And then, let's see, hold on guys, sorry. Let me just get it real quick. Thing fell off. I was putting on, let's see. Sorry about that guys, I don't have anything to hold it up, so. Alright. And it's okay that the Z fell off, because like I said, they're just going to go to the bottom anyway and chew on that. So, and I think my whole thing might fall, but No, that's fine. So, then I have a little thing for him to chew on. And I think that he'll like that. Right, Zorro? Are you going to like it? So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and show your friends. Alright, bye.